welcome back to our channel Moving Postcards. So it's summer already. I've chosen lemons for the season. The vibrant yellow color just blends in with the blues and the greens. So let's squeeze the day. Just adding a little squeeze of sunshine to the room and zesting up the dining table for your favorite gathering. And is also perfect for brightening up a dining table or even a kitchen counter. Lemon topper arrangement adds a vibrant, elegant pop-up citrus color to the space. And not to mention the smell. The citrusy smell is divine. So let's jump into the arrangement. So the main advantage of this is you can do it any kind of vases. Like I've used two different arrangements here today in the video. The one is with a cake stand, it's a glass cake stand, and one is a blue pottery vase. So in both the arrangement you can see the difference. So the level, the arrangement, the height, everything will be different while doing in the two different arrangements. So what you can do is either you can do it like one, make it as a highlight of the centerpiece, just one is fine, or else you can just club up it with different shapes and sizes of the vases for maybe if you are organizing a little bit of a higher gathering, or if you're expecting more guests and you want the room to pop up, that would be another choice. So mainly for this arrangement we need a base and skewers and lemons and fillers like baby breads. If you like baby breads, you can do add on that also, or just go with plain greens, and just keep on adding diagonally to each other and up to your desired height of the tar. Hope you like this video. I'll be back with more decor DIYs, so do let me in the comments if you liked it or not. See you with yet another video. Take care. And yes, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.